What to do if your spouse is delaying the divorce process? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most frustrating things in divorce is when your spouse purposely delays the process. Whether they refuse to respond to paperwork, drag their feet in negotiations, or keep making excuses, these delays can make a simple divorce take much longer than necessary. The good news is that there are steps you can take to keep things moving forward. In California, once a divorce case is filed and served, your spouse has 30 days to respond. If they don't, you can request a default judgment, which means the divorce can be finalized without their input. This is one of the quickest ways to move forward when one spouse is uncooperative. Even if they do respond but continuously delay negotiations or paperwork, you're not stuck waiting forever. The court has deadlines, and you can take legal action if your spouse is purposely slowing things down. If necessary, you can request a status conference with the court to push the case forward, or even file a motion to get a judge involved. We've helped many clients who were stuck in limbo because their spouse was delaying the divorce. In one case, a client's spouse refused to sign the settlement agreement and kept making excuses for months. The client thought they had no choice but to wait. We stepped in, filed the necessary paperwork, and forced the case to move forward, getting it finalized without any more delays. In another case, a spouse would cooperate just enough to prevent a default judgment, but refused to settle. This dragged the case on for over a year. When the client reached out to us, we immediately took action by setting court deadlines and filing the appropriate motions. Within weeks, the divorce was finalized. At Divorce 661, we specialize in helping clients move forward when their spouse is causing unnecessary delays. If you're dealing with a spouse who is slowing down the divorce process, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you take control and get your divorce finalized as quickly as possible.